Hi there, welcome to Code Development, and this is Balaji. I am so happy to continue the tutorial in Shift coding. This is lesson 3, strings and characters, and in this strings part 1. The strings are a set of characters or set of letters. It is used to represent the text in Shift, such as Apple, Code, Development or ABCD. These all are the individual strings. Do you know one thing? 1, 2 and 3 also we can have it in the string using the double quotes. The keyword for the string in Shift is string, and the values we have to assign within the double quotes. In this video we will cover string literals. As I have mentioned, we need to assign a text value to a property within double quotes. That could be a single line or multi-line. Based on this, we can categorize this into 4 parts. The first topic is single line string literals. It's a normal string. The string will be considered as a single line even if we entered a paragraph. The next is multi-line string literals. It is actually used to declare more string values like paragraphs. The next is special characters in string literals. We can add special characters like double quotes in these string literals. The last topic is extended string delimiters. By default, string has some features for multi-line, special characters and etc. But here we can extend the delimiters as raw string in Shift. We will see these all topics in very detailed manner, so don't skip the video until the end. Okay, let's start. The first topic is single line string literals. We can declare a predefined text into a string property like let channel name equal to ABCD within double quotes. Here we are assigning the value ABCD to the property channel name at declaration time itself. Would you remember? It is type inference. The text is within double quotes. Print the channel name. Click the run button. See, it is showing the channel name ABCD. We can have more text also in single line string literals like let ABCD equal to type something within double quotes. Apple Code Development by Balaji, and copy paste for multiple times. Print the value. Click the run button. See, it is accepting more text also within a string. This is the single line string literals. The next is multi-line string literals. For this, we need to use 3 double quotes before and after the string. Let description equal to type double quotes at 3 times. Open our channel and copy the description. Paste it here and 3 times of double quotes. Print the description. Click the run button. See, it is observing the new line, spaces and everything like our text. Add a new line here Click the run button. See, it is showing as like we are declaring. Let's add the double quotes for the ABCD. Click the run button. Now it is having the double quotes in ABCD. Add some extra spaces here. Click the run button. This space was added here. You got it right. It will display the text exactly how we are declaring. Add the new line in the ABCD string value. It won't allow it. You can add plus to append the strings like this. But this is also same as earlier. Click the run button. See, there is no difference. If we want to add the double quotes in the single line string literals, we need to use the backslash before the quotes like this. Here the slash will intimate some special characters or values will be present followed by the slash. Click the run button. See, now it is displaying ABCD within double quotes. This is the difference between single and multi-line string literals. This is the single line and this is the multi-line. You can declare single line string also in multi-line if you want it to display the same how you are declaring. It is based on your need. Let channel expansion equal to 3 double quotes within this. Apple code development by Balaji. All are within the double quotes. And in the end, 3 times of double quotes. No restriction are there. You can play around with it based on your need. One more important thing is that this triple time of double quotes should be in the separate line only, not with the texts. This is about the multi-line string literals. The next is special characters in string literals. Here we can add the special characters using the backslash in the string. Like if you want to add new line, use /n. For horizontal tab, use /t. For double quotes, use /double quotes. For backslash, use backslash and backslash. Here the first slash to intimate and second slash to react or display in your string. Let's try this in a string. Let special character in string equal to hi there, comma /n and /t. Welcome to /double quotes ABCD /double quotes YouTube channel. Print the property. Click the run button. See, it has the new line, tab and the double quotes. Same like we can add the Unicode scalar values also. Unicode means this will represent some symbol like this. Let $sign equal to /U24. Let heart equal to /U2665. Print the properties. Click the run button. See, it is showing the dollar and heart symbol. Regarding this Unicode, you can Google it. You don't want to remember it actually. I have added a link for your reference. Please check it. I am just showing you how to use this copyright icon. Let copyright equal to /u 00A9. Print the copyright. Click the run button. See, it is showing the copyright icon. This is how we need to use the special characters in the string. The last topic is extended string delimiters. In Shift 5, they have added a feature to specify custom delimiters. For this, we need to use hash before and after a string. This is also called as raw string. In this string, the backslash will not react as the escape character. So, if you use /n in the string, it won't react for the new line. It is just a backslash and then n. That's it. Let's see some examples of this. To display /hello/world, how will you declare the string? In normal string, let normal string equal to //hello and //world. Here the first slash will intimate the compiler that followed by there will be a special character. So the output is /hello/world. Instead of this, in raw string, let raw string equal to hash double quotes within this /hello/world and double quotes hash. Print the property. Click the run button. See the same output with less code and logic involved. Here it is just 2 slashes. So you may think we can use the normal string itself, but just think about 10 slashes, 50 slashes or more than that. That time the raw string will help you more. If you want to do escape characters in raw string, then use slash and hash instead of slash in the normal string. Let raw string with escape character equal to hash double quotes hello /hash n world double quotes hash. Print the raw string with escape character. Click the run button. See, now it is accepting the new line special character. This is for the single line raw string literals. Instead of this, you can add a new line directly in the multiple raw string literals. Like this. Let multiple line raw string equal to hash 3 double quotes enter hello enter world enter 3 times of double quotes and hash. Print the multiline raw string. Click the run button. see it has the new line. This is for multiline raw string literals. Hope you understood. It is really easy and useful. This is about the raw strings. Let's see the conclusion of the session. We have seen the string literals in this single line string literals, multiline string literals, special characters in string literals, and extended string delimiters. In part 2, we will cover empty string, string mutability, strings are value type. So stay tuned. This is all about strings and characters in Shift part 1. Please know it before using it. I hope you guys understood and enjoyed the session. Thank you, bye bye, and see you in the next video.